I welcome you to Language Pills Academy. Today we're going to study the phrasal verbs. What are phrasal verbs? A phrasal verb is an idiomatic combination of two, sometimes three parts: a verb and an adverb, a verb and a preposition, and a verb, an adverb, and a preposition. Here, the examples are: my car broke down on the motorway. Here we have verb plus adverb. Please look after the children. Here we have verb plus preposition. I can't put up with him. He's always complaining. Here we have verb plus adverb plus preposition. Now, structure of the phrasal verbs. A verb plus adverb, like throw away. A verb plus adverb plus preposition, like put up with. Structure of prepositional verbs. A verb plus preposition, like look after, look at, wait for, think about, talk about, complain about. Break down, meaning stop working. Example: I was late to school because my car broke down. Break in, meaning initiate, train. Example: the cowboy worked long and hard to break in the new house. Break off, meaning end abruptly. Example: she broke off the conversation by hanging up to the telephone. Break out, meaning escape. Example: 3 prisoners broke out of jail. Break up, meaning end a relationship. Example: Mary broke up with Joe more than a year ago. Break up, meaning end an event. Example: the police broke up the demonstration. Break even, meaning neither gain nor lose. Example: I was lucky to break even at casino last weekend. Break even, meaning initiate, train. Example: the cowboy worked long and hard to break in the new house. Breakthrough, meaning penetrate. Example: the explorer broke through the underbrush to find the temple. Bring about, meaning cause. Example: she hopes to bring about a change in his attitude. Bring out, meaning inspire. Example: that teacher is able to bring out the best in her students. Bring up, meaning raise. Example: after my parents died, I was brought up by my grandmother. Bring on, meaning cause. Example: the assassination brought on the First World War. Bring down, meaning cause to fail. Example: the war brought down the government. Thank you. For more videos, please like, share, and subscribe.